The 2007 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, child safety locks, passenger airbag, power windows, power door locks, MP3 player, CD player, intermittent wipers, brake assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.